world? Why won't it fit? How did I do this? Cut! Okay, that can't be. How the hell would I get it back on? Sack of hammers. That's impossible. Went in after the fact. Yeah, there's no way that's going in now. Well, obviously didn't do it that way. All right, ladies, here's what we got. We can't get any of the crap in there with this piece in here already. So we gotta take this piece out. Even without the bearing piece on there, it just won't go. Sack of nads. So we gotta take it out. Make sense? Yeah, it doesn't to me either, but that's what we're gonna do. All right, she's out. Again. All right, boys. This ain't a word of a lie. This here's a new clutchy thing. I think she's in there. From here. I can't reach. Why is my arm so far? I don't even know what I'm talking about. All right, not sure how I'm gonna do this, but I need an assistant. Maybe this stick, this 2x2, can be my assistant. What do you think, Mr. 2x2? Sure, I could be your assistant, not a problem. Clutchy, clutchy. Come on, Mr. Clutch. All right, looks like the stick ain't seeming to help me at all. All right, we got one going. We got one going, and I got an assistant. Hey, say hi to the camera. You want to help me? Oh, 7. Oh, she's so affectionate. That's one bolt in. Next. All right, now before I tighten all that up, I'm gonna put that piece back in there. The bearing. Get your bearing straight. Okay, piece of my jig. Oh, you idiot. Why can't you be smart like other people? Because they're also idiots. I know, but still. Here she is, boys. Is this gonna be as easy as it looks? Things are looking up. Ain't a word of a lie, boys. Ain't a word of a lie. Yeah. Oh yeah, things are looking up. Here's to hoping. And here I thought there was going to be 3 hours of struggling entertainment for y'all. But there ain't nothing. It just went in like boop boop boop. Like I'm a mechanic. A what? A mechanic. What the hell's a mechanic? Mechanic. Oh, a mechanic. Yeah, mechanic. Like some old timers would say. I've been leaning on a wrench for 50 years. That way you know they're a mechanic. Because they've been leaning on it. They haven't been torquing it or pulling it or twisting it. They've just been leaning on it. So they use it as a crutch. You sack of nets. Use the old trusty thing. I call it the thing. Alright, we're going to see if we can do this one-handed. I'm going to use my knee and my voice. But mostly my knee. Next. We're going to call that good. We got us a problem. Problem is, you push the clutch in, the clutch over here is bottoming out. She is bottoming out. It doesn't even move. I got nothing. See that threaded rod piece? We adjusted it. So now the clutch is like way up there. You're getting a lot of movement there. But that's where we're gonna leave her. Man, that ain't a word of a lie. All right, dudes. Now we're underneath the machine. We gotta put this pan, get it up in here, something like that, and bolt her on. Frickety frickin' frickin'. Whoever came up with this idea, what an idiot. Alright boys, here's the deal. You put that cover back on. All of a sudden you whack your head right on this thing. So I was in the emergency room for the last 10 minutes and they said go home. It's not that serious. Anyway, that's why I have these bumpers on here now. You can't fix stupid.